Hello students, in this video we will discuss about slope of tangent and normals of any given curve. Slope of tangent and its normal to the given curve. This is very important topic. Let y equal to f of x is a function, and suppose graph of this function is like this. Now take right here y equal to f of x. This is the equation of this function. Equation of this graph. Now take any point R at this function, and if a line drawn from this point to this curve which it touches at one and only one point, that means R, whose coordinate is x1 and y1. That means this is a line at x1 and y1 will be tangent to this curve at the point R. Now, if I want to find the slope of this curve, slope of this tangent to this curve, then what is the slope? With the help of derivative. So you should be right here by derivative. And right here find. How to find the slope of this tangent? By the derivative, using the derivative. Since as you see here, y equal to f of x, and in the previous video already we have discussed what is the tangent. Tangent means a line which makes angle with the x-axis in the anti-clockwise, that means in positive direction. Then tangent of that angle is known as slope of the tangent. That is, if this angle is theta, therefore m means slope of this tangent denoted by m equal to tan of theta, and this is equal to first derivative of this given function. That means f dash of x या dy upon dx. This is the slope of tangent. That means slope of tangent is denoted by m equal to f dash of x or dy upon dx. Means if you want to find the slope of any tangent to a curve, then first you should be find the slope of first derivative of that function, and slope of tangent at given particular point at R x1 comma y1, then this will be denoted by m at R equal to dy upon dx at R means x1 y1 equal to f dash of x at x1 y1. That means this will be x1. This is the slope of tangent to the curve on the point R. Now, if we want to find the slope of normal, as you know that what is the normal? Normal is a line which is drawn at any point to the tangent and make the right angle with the tangent. That means this line is known as normal. Means angle between this line, which is known as normal, and this tangent is already 90 degree. Now if you want to find the slope of this normal, then as you know that relation between slopes of two perpendicular lines whose slopes are given m1 and m2 is m1 into m2 equal to -1. That is m1 equal to -1 upon m2. This is the relation between slopes of given two perpendicular line. Since as you see here, normal and tangent both are perpendicular, therefore slope of tangent is equal to m equal to dy upon dx or f dash of x. Therefore slope of normal is equal to -1 upon slope of tangent. That is, this will be equal to -1 upon dy upon dx. This is the slope of normal and this is the slope of tangent. Now in the next video we will take some example related to slope of tangent and its normal.